Go to your webinar that you want to record. You can make the webinar full screen just like this. Now press Windows and G key at the same time, and here the Xbox game console will open. Now to record webinar with your audio, then select here your output speaker, and then go to voice and select here your current microphone to record your input audio. And from here you can also select your output audio. Once you're happy, here you will find this start recording icon. You can click this recording icon, or you can press Windows Alt R at the same time to start recording. And once the recording started, here you will find the recording. So from here you can pause the record by clicking here, and to stop the recording, click this stop button, and your webinar successfully recorded. Now let's see how to find your webinar video that you just captured. Go to your My Explorer file and go to videos and go to captures folder, and here you will find the webinar that you just recorded. So that's how you can actually record any webinar very easily without downloading any third-party software.